Welcome to the kitting area at NewStream, where we built the foundation of who we are today. For the last 3 decades, we have built millions of service kits for heavy-duty trucks, agriculture, construction, and defense industries. We have efficiently produced 3.6 million kits per year, exceeding our customers' expectations. Our experts can provide customers great scalability and flexibility with program scope and volumes. To increase our efficiency, we implemented a wireless landscape where employees access all information in our real-time system through handheld tablets that provide detailed work instructions created by our packaging engineers, ensuring quality and precision across each kitting project. With our in-house packaging, we can provide customized kitting and packaging solutions with customer branding in mind, meeting your OEM packaging requirements and service expectations, and ensuring compliance with ISO 9001 quality and ISO 14001 environmental commitments. An OEM can use a kitting warehouse to simplify ordering for its dealer network by taking advantage of the experienced kitting services offered at NewStream Enterprises. Contact our experts today to learn how our kitting solutions can improve your operations.